The USB-C Docking Station PD3.1 by WAVLINK offers impressive connectivity options, including dual DisplayPort and HDMI outputs for seamless multi-monitor setups. This docking station supports high-resolution displays, allowing you to enjoy stunning visuals with a single monitor up to 8K at 30 Hz or 4K at 144 Hz. With its 140-watt power delivery adapter, the dock ensures your laptop remains charged while connected to various peripherals, providing convenience and efficiency. It features a comprehensive range of ports, including USB-C and USB-A for fast data transfer, a Gigabit Ethernet port for reliable internet connection, and an audio jack for multimedia needs. The docking station is compatible with a wide range of operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring flexibility across different devices. WAVLINK provides a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service, adding peace of mind to your purchase.